Pinpointing the offer-generating price of a property is one of the most helpful things a skilled real estate consultant can do for sellers or buyers. A comparative market analysis, or a CMA, provides a good deal of data. But what does that data mean, and how do you use it to make good decisions? Well, the CMA gives us a view of the past, present, and future. The sold properties, well, they tell us how much buyers were willing to pay for a like property, what the range of the price per square foot was, how many bought in that 90-day period, and how long it took to close. The pending sales, well, that tells us how many properties are waiting to close and what list price attracted the offer. And the active listings, well, that tells us how many properties and what price is available to buyers that are currently looking for a similar property. Next, we need to understand the current supply and demand. To calculate the month's supply of inventory, we look at how many sold in the past 3 months, and that means that 2 like properties have sold per month. Next, we look at how many like properties are available. So divide the 2 active listings by the absorption rate of 2 per month, and we now know there is a 1-month supply of inventory. So why is this information so important? Well, because a property has the highest chance of selling when it's newer on the market. This is why identifying market value, the offer generating price, is so critical to pinpoint pricing. If priced at or below market value, a property is seen and considered by 90% of buyers. Conversely, if priced above market, it's seen by a mere fraction of buyers. So which one is most likely to produce a buyer? Here's a method to take an unbiased look at how properties compare. Determine which property sold for the highest price per square foot. That becomes the 10 for this analysis. Now compare various features and conditions of the subject property to the 10 property. Is it equal to, better than, or less than the 10 property? By assigning a plus, minus, or equal to common features, you're more likely to assess from a buyer's viewpoint. And in this case, with 6 equals, 1 plus, and 5 minuses, we know that buyers will expect to pay less than the 10 property. Now, the third and last set of data points that impact real estate are interest rates and price trends. And understanding interest rates is important because buyers can afford more home when rates are lower. A 0.5 point increase in interest rates from, let's say, 3.5% to 4% means a buyer purchasing a $300,000 home will pay $156 more. So a yearly trend analysis for your neighborhood and your price range will reveal whether prices are increasing, decreasing, or they're stable. The right data is an absolute must because missing the mark on market value means missing buyers. You deserve to get the highest price the current market will bear, and the best way to do that is with information and insight designed to do just that. For reliable, pinpoint pricing analysis for your home, call the Rebe Homes team, your real estate consultants for life.